In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Minecraft error with the launcher not available on your account. Now first, what we want to try is open up our Microsoft Store right here. Click on your name, press sign out. Then when you're signed out, simply try and sign back in. Now this works for most people and it will already fix the issue. Now the second thing that we can try is search down here and search for Xbox. Open up the Xbox app here and make sure you're logged in on the same account as your Microsoft Store. So you're just gonna log into your account, the same on your Microsoft Store, and make sure that they're both checked. Now the last thing that we can try is you open up your, right here, go to apps and features. And from in here, you wanna find Minecraft, the Minecraft launcher. What you can do is click on advanced options right here. And now once you're in here, you're gonna click on reset right here. If this app isn't working right, reset. Simply click on reset and then wait for it to be done and then try and relaunch your Minecraft. Now one of these should hopefully fix your issue, and if they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.